Good evening. It's Brian Paragamian, Senior Trader and co-founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, bringing you Friday evening's technical analysis update for March 6th, and one heck of a session again today. We had the stock market up early, 100 points or so. We saw it down below 6,500 for the first time in 13 years, and we settle in at 66.26. I think we're headed at a bare minimum to 740 on the S&P, which is another 60 points from here. Basically equates to right around 7,100. I think that's very doable here in the coming weeks. That's the first price objective. I think we get above 740 on the S&P and we get above the 7,100, 7,150 on the Dow. I think the next stop is 74.49, which is the breakdown level, as you can see right here. We've got the McClellan oscillator telling us that a significant rally is coming. The readings continue to post higher lows, and that is a very, very bullish signal. We've got the stochastics down here. Look at this here. We've been on buy signal for a couple days, but we're under 20, deeply, deeply oversold. Sentiment readings are so negative, some of the worst we've seen in the history of the stock market. I think all this is pointing to a significant rally. What else points me to a rally? Jim Cramer is very, very bearish here. He's talking about just preserving capital. We see today the highest unemployment rate since 1983. Despair. We're seeing yesterday a Harvard professor, I believe it was, talking of a 30% chance of a depression. Sure, maybe we might enter into one, but I think all this here sets the stage for a significant bear market rally. Every bear market has sharp rallies. We have had nothing but a straight down decline here, water torture day after day after day. Finally break into the black here today, up 32 points from the Dow. 14 of the last 18 sessions have traded down and closed lower on the day. We can at least head into the weekend with a positive attitude. We always have a positive here at ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, our members, because we're traders, we're swing traders, we're making money here. And talking about making money, it certainly looks like the future boys are looking for a higher open on Monday morning. They're taking the S&P futures out at 688.50 versus the 683 on the cash. That suggests a little bit of upside, but it's not the fact that it suggests 40 points of upside. The important thing is that they're taking it out at a premium and that they're bullish. That I think is very, very important. That's the most important thing. So I think that's what we have to look forward to in the coming weeks. We're positioned for that. We're bullish right here on the immediate short term, even though I think longer term out, as you see here, you see the sideways action during this period here. I think that's what we're going to have to put up with on the stock market, the Dow Jones Industrial Average going forward after this big rally. You can't expect to see a big rally straight up like you saw a big decline. That's just not how it happens. Tops are formed. Tops take a while to form. So will bottoms. We're going to have to pay our price and see a stock market probably go sideways for a good 6 months, maybe a year. But again, it doesn't matter because there's plenty of opportunities to trade stocks from a day trading perspective and a swing trading perspective, and that's what we're going to do here. I really don't have anything else to add other than, oil looks really good on the charts. Oil is up over $45 a barrel, firmly over 45, up over $2 today. And if we take a look at the chart on oil, you can see here, despite the stock market, basically at its lows for this move, you can see oil is almost ready to break out to the upside. And that's what we think is going to happen here in oil. We're bullish oil, we're bearish gold, and we're bullish the stock market here on the short term. We think everything is lined up here for a significant rally. Be on the lookout for it. The other thing I will mention is copper is trading at its highs since November of 2008. So I think that's another positive thing going for us. I don't have much else to add other than have a great weekend. Thanks for tuning in. Join us again Monday morning at 8:20. Oh, and while I remember, next Friday, February 3rd, I wish February. No, actually I don't. March 13th, I'm going to be out of town. I'm going to try and bring you a live webcast from a remote location. I don't know if it'll work or not, but go ahead and check and see if we've got a webcast set up. If we actually do have one set up, I can't promise that there won't be any delays in audio or video because that's not where we normally do our webcast from. But again, I just wanted to let you know right now in advance, in case I did forget. It is posted on the PSTL news section, though, of the website. So if you want to take a look there, just as a reminder. But again, I appreciate everyone for tuning in throughout these times. Again, hang in there, stay positive. We're going to get through this together. Have yourselves a great weekend.